Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We here at Chapel bright and early this morning. Got the Harvest Festival out here at Boaz Car Show. So we're going to get started real quick so we can get around. We'll start here in the paint booth. Got the little car in here painted. Showed you Wednesday was getting taped up. Got the bumper covers painted. Side painted. Quarter panel. Everything turned out real nice. Got it looking real good. Hopefully Monday get this thing out of the booth now and get it put back together. Go this way. Here's Drake out there, the Maverick. He's gonna probably wrench it off a little bit before head that way. Showed you Wednesday too, but we got the power steering on the Comet here. Got it mounted in place. Got some more parts coming in. Radiator. I think the computer's supposed to be back. It's probably in that box right there. But we got that stuff coming together. Hopefully we'll be firing that thing up here pretty soon. So right there is the old Maverick making racket. Couldn't see out my windshield this morning. Now, and then you know how a little bit of dew does when you got dust an inch thick. Can't see anything. Do what? Quick bath. I was at that car wash in a can. I'm gonna walk. Got the old Maverick shined up to go to the.
Well, I wouldn't say shined up.
Oh, you shining it right now? Keep shining, buddy. Keep shining. It'll never be the Kia, but it'll look good. On the gas handle?
So I got them rags we got off the TikTok shop.
Yeah.
I put them in the trunk and they did win the trip. They took them out. So I opened the trunk and give me one of them rags. Like, there ain't no chairs in there. So I turned around and come back and get chairs.
Had to get chairs. Quick walk around the shop right here. Yeah, it's going to be a long day at the Harvest Festival. Got the F100, the front end all back and mounted. Doors mounted. Gaps lined up like we want them. Got the firewall painted. Inner fenders are painted. Done got dust all over them. Put all that back together. Getting it where we can get the battery and all that stuff on it. It's about ready for blocking. Speaking of blocking, that's all I've been doing on the Camaro for the last 2 days is block, 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 block. So hopefully get it in the booth this week and get some paint on it. Get that thing turned red. A little Toyota over here. Got the corner of it fixed, welded all, put together, or well, welded and painted. Got it all worked. So we're ready to start hanging everything back in. We'll put all the stuff back inside there, get the fenders on, that kind of stuff, and hopefully get that together next week. Torino motor just about ready to set out. Transmission loose, motor mounts loose. Gonna get that motor set out, get everything under there cleaned, shined up, painted, and start putting the interior back together. And then we'll have to paint the outside because everything's gonna be too nice not to paint the outside. But anyway, that's what we got going on. Like I said, if you're out and about today, come to Boaz Harvest Festival. Check us out at the car show. I believe there's a Harvest Festival in the center. Trade Day's always going on. Several things going around everywhere. So check us out, 256 Garage.